Hello, agus fáte í hiic na seanslaí mas maiile seansa acu ghlaciad ar na seanslaí. Is mi sé chiime go le cada agus le breth le honeydew. Le breth le honeydew. And so on and so forth. So we should fág mai ar an sira na bainke an seo a mí na have long time no chat mar artas a bharla. Ach Táimid arás agus agsúil mór leis an crack ar fád. Tá man seo mars grad le muid cólaachia le muid garide ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go mar táú.
Nima go mai hinné sin a chlostal an rendition sin a bhí agus de labrahasal na Dutch i me riú duine a chanú a bhéin.
Yeah, well, vís kom nach sibse chun é canú dús rhino, so cai ding ag anu, I suppose. Listen, look, bhí má agsúil go méid sibh a ligint má síos, agus a country lá bína ligint dingi síos go minic, tá man seo fásta le James ó flahar the James, Jimmer that.
Well, freshen like dúirt this a law Brett law on the
Yeah, I was like, cute.
Is my like come
boo 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 more.
Day birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday day.
Being a grammar Nazis and we her Twitter.
There's been shock. There's a Gurkarm. You're literally the only ones calling me out.
No, like come on, like ní gael go who that caite as like list told and it's like come on, like
the caite at that list as list told. Oh my god.
Come on, like so just was to get out of any short that to blame in the shoe that was just to get out of the bug on níos fear le chus casa dús sport bhí must bra sáil casa
oh my god, okay.
Yeah, bhí sé chus cin smailín ormsa
Smailín. Sorry, Smailín agus is just tuairt má bhí much gravity.
Yeah, ní mar rá me go gáí smail
Sílam go nómar am cat gine i Gaeltachta trí bhéile le seachtain nús tá Jospug den fod Gaeile seo eála ar ríis.
Tá arm genú mar dúirt man a couple dinge tá arm Johnny gáil detox i dhéanú sin an rud mar tá a couple dinge rélam agus tá dinge rá seo lomsa le fádan le hána ach tus de ré go má cáiliú mo chanút in Merle. But like ní
mhar é an láfuir hí mu géiste leat ar an radio agus dúir tú éigen i Merle agus just híl me lomhéin. Oh my god, that is so Dublin.
No.
Yeah. Agus their mom ní bheith is a gut gras ran na first ein ar Lauren Berle that she beidir nach as an canter the Witcher sege and I was like no like more cold character or I guess canter it's like tasha cosliger as canter ella da chud tiismóirí an dói a Lauren Berle níl Berle gúning á láidir agat ach tá éilig.
Sinna cool grammar because nar dhearm sa seo leis na daoine tá gobar lá agus nar dearm seo le daoine aspála lí agus a dearm siad nó de canún choláid rugad sa.
Ach dearn with your wile sin bhí achan canún seachas canún tu go héin.
There's thing lumsa urhain, there's it lum. I don't think I have an accent really. I was like there's just some lumsa.
And sin Mario sa bheith.
Sin plún siad na iasc no terrain. No. Sí sean ní ceamsa go canún leid rumsa solar has bhóg má go bad lia agus an sin. Like the cunning there when bhóg me go litir canon. Agus bhí daoine rélam so ddíis ní comárta go is run the far ar harpi. So she was just on head le Groma. An nómar Tally. Sin fibe film.
From birth.
From birth.
Níor fital tú iste.
Níor fital má iste. Mariartar Glamara. Well, this bar came go choir jazz the thing again in Sean Earn pod. Dinne near a line over haar an the blianta agus úr sin ar fád eaclann sin. James Cohardus is often Premier League a once and bu a bheith agad and come a bhí agad ar the Instagram scéalta cheappa gur gro tusa Erin Park a hanna le seachtaine agus tú bhí tú há an Anfield hain cluiche dearna don Chaser.
Yeah.
Bhí sin.
Unbelievable. Like unfucking believable. Like chéadúr i dtíobh a chroch siad an Corran Premier League os cór locht Lanta Liverpool. So iontas beste bheits stadium in Anfield ceann cáiliúil. Mas hís an Anfield Road tá sé sin opposite gon cop. So obviously bhí sin caprú is cáiliúil faoi Liverpool like agus just bhí sé obviously ceú golóir hí sa tíim sin ach ná bhí golóir chun bhí clé 1-1 so it's like decent go like for Gravenberch sent off but yeah bhí pís chrack on like agus yeah bhí sé just unbelievable I think I can the amsa but not blian like the dini cap go like connections mental I fáin an takead seo just níor se ráte le mór an daine grom a go le game agus tickets cean an tickets mí mehebh se caite agus just daim se amach go rúise de Premier League like which ní ceap dóirí like ní cheanna siad imróir a bit nu bhí clap imi bhí mis just rá please top 4 Amsir das agus bei se go háling an nach sin arú sé dochreidte scéal brise go is ceannach cethir lads nu a bhfuil absolutely outrageously go má so cheaping go bod cinál rud a bhééis mu a fáníos cuitin doró go mé a feiceáil Big Verge I croch an cupón sin agus special bheith le dad frisin like my aon's dad was all an á le rinsá blianta think like cheirhlíonn éige chun ceap inú de was all so special go má unreal like a chance
Bhí do Instagram bhí tú a papal off mar deirtar bhí tú I chun a méidir móíartiste leis na póstalathe like agus do iad cóciúr a pósal nach le like Paddington pósal go dair leis na Beatles like it was muir a ceú an tour an deir na bhí sé cóciúr
like chum sús cúpceán you might get like ní mai get bheith na an ósle chomininic is a bhí so bhí mai just get cúpaceán chusús agus you might get in the Kings na scéaltí mar chusús go was that King éfachtach bhí an like spáins like rum ban solta so like so bhí se go das like agus cean is fear ceapú ná an surpriseach má hóg rum is just a match day program so
bhí sin gana
bhí sin das cos níor sin ráit am na aon duine agus for an rifos agus just chum lá picture romhéins roiin hééis an All Ireland semi agus sin just chum ag Liverpool an cé na clódóí na cíns agus just chuise reachas class a feice ná go chuise reacha like especially at a law bhí an game bhí an chur like program amateur be am go brach ná like it's going to be fairly class like so
agus bhí éirí eile ar an lehanach céine nach ro
so it's just like featured acus a rud is like born a red so just a fans an I dé nach chur anú like agus rá go siad go ag gluthe ag ní even urba bheith gluthe like fi daoine an for engaged na cíns agus inir even ag clé mis like rá fá go a picture seach mar even ag fucking clé like but whatever fair play ob ach it like just chemisch go that be na daine lu bhí ag game beidir picture chu rá cru these I think gro das but just really special that so chonig le mohíh heapin go lecinn as corcu cíirí heapin bhí an lecinn le gimis TG so sin cool go má agus honestly obviously tá nasc mór is a Liverpool aiding anyway like so it's cool
you love to see it like just Dirk just crack at it because it's Killen and Sice Road like I know there's your father biography like like oh my god like Sally like like and mage stuff with her so Instagram like blah 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 but like test going your father like Dar Harla Road they can cost less in Linar Club Hain sure like an area like near wood
he's some give over to raw made chumas 8 scale in 2 days
post on Meyer and grid
obviously ní fós am grid ó February so ní
sin go to my red or like ní
angstiness coming from no you ma hot off the grid in that piece like
well sin a road though so like near not nyan to a minute near yan to a mage and then sin back into tagging it's fair like they echo and change it's like
because like chonig ma no scalte you like in caru on there's orange you like okay that's enough because I get pissed off ma vi smooth like 3 nu chéad hinge dini and then in chéad I shouldn't chéad eile dus ma really can't the so rudding on them like cean bhí an dúna na ringe me actually riil amach as cean because you might get rins chuirseachan so ring me riil amach as cean sin chum sin my story so you might like raw that's still only one story so
that's a good James Darry runner and sé riil no TikTok as
Yeah,
Mm.
they're
Yeah.
like fucking monumental home, the 1.5 million daoine in Liverpool ar weekend, a Keller on the club sin. So it's just something unbelievable. Like I was chin, yeah, Remus Rudy Ella. We der Schaft a hectic, Hush was a margin fucking ichi de heen really margin sorry 3 o'clock a margin go on airports. Oh well, so I got out of card, I go to the airport. In that's like share margin.
Ye-
Díreach noon, Locha shooting for Liverpool, Rima abseiling a train team for she Anfield.
Sorry, just as you do. Sorry, just a caiisiú
Yeah.
sta.
Níglinn seo just na caiú sta mar like Abertáin caihímuid is seo phlé
Yeah.
mar is rud é rinne tú chuna cinú dearnach faoi nach just le seachtain na nús?
Yeah, so we might book a stadium tour go mains dad. I just funny about what's not abseiling in the team Anfield. So there's my I don't know, we making a sad gnome, so you need to be sad to book crazy stuff. Like
Yeah.
from there we might book out on skydive, we making a sad fashion. So this might as well do it. And then Zakadian, you might like to my doing skydive, do you think it to my doing abseiling, it's do things with to like charities. This my no. And then no come a while I'm like, oh, it's actually a really good excuse just for the so Walu go car not
Mhm.
so there's my King on the shore and Rudy that all if we learn who this is down halls of Palestine or these so chuma goal go goed bug na goed but we like 4-6-5 near the Kings but yeah le 3 law
Yeah,
agus
tá tú go
absent
maid den méid ama a bhí
Yeah.
agus
yeah we
le
decent
le
like
chur le
so
chéile.
so we check das agus tin Rayman absale ma tau law look sin chuma susig bar my god.
Mar ní mai leat sa bheith áide churbe, is go lom
No,
tú
it's good. No,
leis an rollercoaster ag electric picnic.
oh, that's different. The
Bhí
roller
rud é different range nenne. I think ní hé an urge a bhírsúil sin.
I think on the carnival is the carnies agus the carnival me hábhalte ich habe atá se sin ábhar bhí chu mar sin. No
Mhm.
bhíoch mar really good an le airde. A chud sin chum agus San Fran lei saora agus bhí orm gobal a scaffold agus chonig man the Mexicans just it done like cartwheels agus like backflips at a scaffold so it's my you know what like more what you got boss on Neems got boss on so I kind of just got over it
Mhm.
agus yeah we actually cracking in scaffold Thompson man I actually love those lads chin the chum chin me my house at an abse I see my tau really go zero orm shasa at a tail as you like holy shit me the earth like the earth basically tits him sheer like the dream of sheer agus that you tits him agus that you like oh my god the erm with trust or fat a chur son a rope show agus yeah like in the picture a chum as like home at tea of Anfield like shouldn't count the pointies Irish stadium be my cocker man
As in tú just in like gaiirí le cos le angel ligantuirt go le 100 go bra.
no, I mean that's my nervous smile anyways. Like when there's no teeth, that's nervous smile in it. Yeah, agus tune at a malach she's like dúirtelum. Brandon Sauce, like talking about pixels, is my fucking make it quick. Don't get go fucking sheets. Oh yeah, you're getting the hang of it now. In fairness, Vima for the hang is I'd say nach roarmach or she's that step is Vima like tau chin. Oh you could be Tom Cruise but to get to see jump on agus file out. I'm okay, man. Tom shoe A1 at John is just like cush making the she's I shouldn't even actually got a ball of husmads in the fucking jumps amach because of Tom Cruise really. You're cool. So yeah.
Bei tú de stuntman inis fa chunne scanan am hanse.
Yeah, like we shall really fun like lab ball she's a clean kid la Vima like oh holy fuck like here we my husband are jelly like Vima.
An sin tú gur sort dearndíine gur addiction atá an sort parkour. Nar sin si de generalí mar se ní stop te stopú. Mé tú just léimt as le cru canis agus as forgnamh.
New parkour.
Like you should already came from fucking skydivers of these like you my whole buoch like land on my tall and hating is skydiving.
Gus le Katy Perry chatach as an spaceship a fógu talú.
Yeah, basically. Like, Like at every stage go rudí sin. Like an abseil nu skydive nu kid rudé an. Kam bungee jumping na probably gan kins version.
Yeah.
Like ag chud is dáid a go sin. Bíon man ná mo chríe aachtar prabo as mo fucking hound. Like sin like go mórs vín prabo. Like you can hear pulses fucking as chola. Like an is go pulse all le linge chin. But yeah, scary stuff. But yeah, we shall fun. Agus sin actually sin luair maidin de saring maid de dúna le go game spent the day out couple of sin a bob hééis agus sin flight at a luair sin de saring is a loon to get into Croke Park le shola Comórtas Peile na Gaeltachta.
Oh my God.
Arcar sin fucking segue.
It's not my hat. Sorry, just
No, what you in?
just our dúspáir though Caimara and rud is groundwork for and rudder fád is like ro this is Gerxus stadium tours agus like obviously like it's muidir the sin is like go to shul chimple is TV State on stadium agus we this are those you know what the very check on the bricks faster ma really Gary Eccles Kane size brackets at the aku or in logo all war shot at our TV and stadium like we this is like the one stadium tour again but the one was arrogant you know lucha L agus ahan le chorneal done stadium shaw echo just to make in shit
I'll tell you now you're a fucking tad seer for you
no
yeah no well worth it like is that I was like really for you like nu dinta like my home like le kun say bem go ko like na nolog meal and la the hook ticket omags and source we actually see it in that too so
nice
yeah so we actually like mate slope chin dead it's actually I had his mark being chin freshen ach we should ni shin actually like so you should gas and then like basically just go text like edition Bes na fixtures mógus tu ticket le am beves me ger so brand me am an olig was das go nunig so ran me rí am kin sa sour like so yeah like na ves me go nu rí obviously be wa ni see it because ni absel in the Otivon building agus ni on the stadium tour in agus ni that marhini and be man an go she's go coolly is a chin a concert square is couple pint of am agus actually relax on in the kids really but yeah we shall yeah, class though. Class. Like a weekend in Aida, like nach was down with that, like because like
no
let dad for the first night we shot calling like
oh kinch you know bitch daddy like you know so just like it's rod whole special day and I think Harry just like less sport because I know it's just you know to the kind of the seal online like Lance rod again so they're facking to Jerry to lash it's just like oh yeah fuck yeah like like there's gentle you know
like God you like hosm nach Liverpool chovéras trí beidir so vi me like secht ní rom had gomór is soccer ach fado wa sé tutácht go Arsenal fado ná ach den obviously dar mise é go Liverpool cos vi mise mo choí kin still Liverpool ma vi cord am vi nach Liverpool di freschen agus sin anú chuní was like 2005 agus rud special vi an Miracle of Istanbul rabis a cuaig but in on anniversary Zaduna so chrochshed on Premier League at anniversary on Miracle of Istanbul so we pretty cool sin like Creamachlum brand new 2005 Istanbul so Citrium Somala la dad so it was like cool like no nascent look agus chin like vi Liverpool shit in 2010s like we should ufosach like Creamlum on rachle chum as an was 1-0 Liverpool na Spurs after Spurs the Spurs came into like 1-0 Harry Kewell and then chum Connell vi 0-0 na West Ham like we should just brutal ach like vi man an loch vi am fast níos Eccles Steven Gerrard so vi go ach now yeah inis like on foreign like revitalized for Klopp agus nish la slot agus now it should actually really go mass which actually really Zas golnúna cúgs actually fisavad gohfuil tú ná goal in the Eccles agus iad croch you know Curran agus rudí mar hin agus freshen like it's not golnúna just Alison Becker Eccles who is a gorgeous man agus tú just get of Eccles so cool you know just he's my man crush man agus man bhí mar like nuair a chuir session suas na goalposts ag an zéire agus like chantal championes. Bhí me actually rá like má tá orm aon fear éh fócaine like díreach sin.
Well,
Like,
James,
no
má him
an.
go an claim seo genta go fao like
A len fur.
tá dul liste de man crushes I ggurí ní swidge. Tá seo rá tar a chuig uair a na sure an budcurling.
I need some. I think it's just talking. Then he's never number one spot a goonie. I guess and saying and just in it, they give it a hand on Misha Foga, honey. I don't come to
caiú everheen.
Yes.
Comórtas Peile na Gaeltachta in Jerry seachtaine seo. Ní bheith mé an ar an drathair bé má hála tá actually cófra gaile an mehebh seo. Like an amachtas mó in mí na mehebh is síl na gaeilge. Comórtas Peile na Gaeltachta agus féil na Galí. Beirt acu Ráth Chairn agus an ní Jerry seachtaine tá siúil be me se I London. Like chomh gaile. Ach ní bheith mé an. Agus ní actually Comórtas Peile na Gaeltachta riú. Chuige. I know James a crowd okay.
It's mental like.
Okay. Yeah. Ní as chun mar muid ní ro well
ní ro Gaeltachtaí.
Ní Gaeltachta bhhain darla aine agus sé chuna marathon an Ratches is
rud a bhí
Ratcher ar an pád se riú.
Oh, twisting my words. Tá a gin go maiid ghfuil an chearrua agus chuna mar go generalta có inéistethe I Comórtas Peile na Gaeltachta. Agus tá star an rathúil agah I buint na Comórtas a an bblion. So ní ráha agutsa ach bheith mar chuid de dús a níor fiú chuúla mé faoi mar fáiste, ní ros gom faoi go dtí go mé go beg ní sinna. Agus nílas gom cén leis go le IQ. Go on, Hugh, you're up.
No, so
go háirí a freisin hiú nó tá sé é dún an gáil chola trí bliana.
Yeah, but now like just near home she do you know that's what came fun after once because we are going Jerry Shock and realize is from going Jenny Rodriguez and Ella. Shin
theater camp nor digging
okay, wow. So Niation go homeland in area. Vi mar going Jenny Rodriguez vi going Rodriguez and Ella show. Ni Rodriguez vi owns the chat really. I suppose you were really thing again like from a year for a gimmert lai cuidóir beidir an bhí sin níos áige. Ach sin é, ní mar daoine gimmert peil timpplain cha ar timpplain taí, like, so sin just níor hánig se suas. Níl se bhfuil mis
le duine hándó, like.
Dearing just ní Roma job, sin an rud amhain.
Ach, like, it's not even, like, it's Comórtas Peile na Gaeltachta. Bíon na Gaeltachta a fadna, ach, like, ní ruit bheits a Gaeltacht, like. Tá na Gaelóga, Learpholl, just fáinne le Gaeilge. A bhín sáil. Agus like is rud mór míltacha gon sanga ruí. I literally ní some corrosiú blai. Bín sé TG ce a chud a bblion. Bín sé literally a dúna lún chud a bblion. Bín na game the ed. Like kid bín sé a radio like
Neil James ábalta
na focal fiú
a bheith genú rud éigen seachas arc ar chlíthe Peile. Dé eile go dúla a bheith
agus ar leí a banca fásta like no caiimiid mna bhmuid genú in caiimiid bheith síos tíhastí don se agus a ggurc ar nelas cum sa like fecin an spidal in éan na bhéilóga ag Jerry seachtainge.
Ach tá an ceannam líana ní speisialta mar ní ro sé Ráth Chairn ó ní nó go trí?
Sin crackáilte
Tá sin crackáilte nóil. Tá náit bhí me hí san Mart mar go me duine fi an móscaile agus tá náit decked out like dá bheiceh sibh tá dugout sanis ar an barc Peile.
Tá dugout sanis? Agus
an céadú a sweet fair ná dís be si sin aontain ar tuid ag féile galí lean den a réú sin be na chat a le gitarlú faoi na dugouts tá a go é.
Atá atá cúpa pácán tá mu gimmert Come give me the pork again, like nakla kells, I think.
Yeah, so the kin in apui, the kin in mali gib, ta shin stop the mahar fod na hacha.
Yeah, I thought on route well to clang and chin at Enos, my room with a shin Thomas Gimmers and all bui to Sarings, my room with a shin being Gimmers and all bui east at Duna. It's my room with a shin being Clay Cannon Saloon, Iraq Carring Hain. So in same fork nach was really Gimmers said, na Bali wolf tones. Ach. Like, there was a wolf tones, obviously, auch sehr, und wir sehr, wie muss ich, Gummertes. So I think tá meisteir got cam chuirsí na go parknaí, má tá just gur feiceáil parkna daoine éagsúlagus rudí mar hinnagus just gur eiceáil rudí so chuí freisin an I gaáid like so yeah be sé go má be háthú sam lom like so be an táisiil cupáid agus brandar games is rudí like agus just an amsir hopefully be amsir go as is rudí agus yeah it's just after unbelievable tá bí séms man you an hobby ocht like so sin fá tá mis súil chomór leis.
Well tá whift an muoinú thart Ráth Chairn níach me Ráth Chairn rú go glamorous tá le tá marcií an airde acu as siad gon má ceoltarí mai bheith acu Tá 1,000 duine le teacht. Bhíorthú 1,000 labí a aimimsú tá tá teachta go Comórtas. Sáilíonn méid sin daoine Ráth Chairn.
Ní hin na daoine bhééis Ráth Chairn, sin just imróí.
Sin just imróí, sin cuairteoirí, yeah. So tá glóir daoine fáanta lepacha ddíthe daoine as cumáile sin tá si de bhana de ddíthe ósta agus an áitní, le tá si de dul ag bailte háart a Ráth Chairn cumáid, so ó clas ba beidir fi bommate hiú, mar sure ní léon ósta i Ráth Chairn, so daoine go bh scapi má ach tá sé dochreidte an obair a genta cúla 1,000 labí a aimimsú.
A bhí tú rá sin le níor se Ráth Chairn ó 93 níor sé garú ó 97 agus níl cearú go á ríis go dtí 20-40 something stocha tá sé ní bhéh mis gimmert ag gomartas agus áitiúil chumsa chorbe so sé sin cin seit ach bhá
bhí sé áitní eile gona mar nachró.
fós éon catú qualified, má bhíonn tú a host an ní réad qualified, tú just tú automatically chríd go dtíon cléir leichanais. So an áit bheith gimmert cheire marún tú mácha agus ganú a hostá bheith tú gimmert cheir chluthe I cheir lá. Ach má tá tú áitiú ní bhéir a ráchluthe rála aine. So tá rudá ach a méid aige tú chun sé seasta gomún na áisna efir semachchas an chur chuige dat na dhéine ar a barc na simí festis stáid cholarad tá sé dochreidte agus sé rud seo riomh tála go club a rachta me tá tú actually got inhead maithas ina an club agus I gan fischuin tá tú gáil on a himmorí a chorchan king because nu tá ásan í seo don de fuan na god ní seo so fecinn tú sin le má Colin bhí sé sin acu sin 2014 agus an réiteach an sin ar nát bhí sé unreal class ach se cúg at least chun mí be chud cinna gar máchéil cheapú nach bhfuil Wolf Tones ach fiú mad agus cin ábuí ní se chuúnú me sí spór so dí so bé pí chreaction agus sú go mé gang mahan agus bé an go háil ar barc bud
Béile feicáil.
Sílam go mé washout ceart a go bhar nachir an deir seachna seo bes hanna sleanú ar fud na parke.
Oh my god. Sta níl aon rud ís massive fásta bhí me sé ag chluíad an álann sin go deir seachtainge. Oh god, bhí sé just Níor moment an fánar land dinge ag in park uair rihan clíad an rud an tú de gra in Malma fé because de géir raráim mai a eil agus bhí mom flopáite so bhí airí fáil a rihan clíthe agus é chahd san ásta in aice a park.
Na ro na rain ponchos live.
Bhí, but bhí se thó flásin mar le gur hasí se ag dul tríd na chátaí agus dó car tagan se tásin se a dripáil síos an do chud cátaí an rud. So bhí a chud brístí go thomlan scrista fásta. So bhí bhí anrad thuas an seo churn, but then bhí just casas í flopáite.
Im go gad waders a caiú dul ag na cléhí sin.
Carú, yeah. Ná na Snickers. Tás na bríiste sin atá hannig a gafa láhí lethir. Sin na Snickers.
Snickers, yeah.
Nish. Anya, come on.
Snickers pants.
Men's lingerie more hurter I'm grandma.
Mini seo dú. Mini dú seo.
Bríistí Snickers na bríistí mí.
Bríistí oibre le si dómh agus sin tá póci an na taobhnaí cos cargos ach tá sé níos trimme agus tá tá like na kneepads a sin tú agus like tá inéad pócíir me ná úla sí lu sí tá fóci sé.
As go tíhfuil daoine gafaló inis.
Just capan na bhí sé ar féad go mean an féad ní sexy.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, tá néad a chuirta an seo agus well, brahan sé an duine tá a gaiú. Obviously, níl gur builder's bottom eáil an tú seo.
I tell you one thing freshen though. Níl siad sexy má tá siad brand new. Nuair tá bug an painter agus bug an concrete idir dé. That's when they're fucking sexiness. Yeah.
James, we're thinking go gurí an sin doing, you know, just the list of get the crushes. Kind freaky go sexy stuff.
No, I'm sure their main. I feel sexy their main is painter, but you might off.
Agus capan dingy eile was like capan a landing you was like was dinta sexy and Ráth is a tone 13 shot on when Snickers drop knickers. Sin ru den nearnsid.
What was your version like?
Yeah, nu tú caihiúid bhíon daoine go thoma gafa sí seans do you know what nearní sin go
go go ra an juntaí den éigen súsig fel na galínas just a caihiú Snickers James se caihin na Snickers trousers
James tá
fé na gal you making fools
James tá siúr go te a muir agus just jo an paintbrush agus just tá just a whack out the hud bríí just go ceapá daoine gnéanana tú a bhád í smóbar na nhearanta, you know? Be bhrálam sin aáil sin go sin an phláán. Tá chuna dhéanú. Hashtag creidirmónmh. Well, I shouldn't give a shit. Well, I see your bank. There's your fog Gary Allen Maher and the Pinty who was his favorite. But he sold in Jerry Shot again. The man host the Shancy your Instagram, Shancy your Twitter, or Shancy your YouTube. But the Gary Anya Amsterdam host the there's more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, or anywhere TikTok. But the Gary James. Sorry, Neil your Twitter Nisco. Come on.
As Neil on Podcrailer Twitter Nisco.
I guess Neil on Podcrailer Twitter.
Couple of me as that in it.
Then which really look arc. Now ring my home miniction. Let me small a head heagrán. She go shot. You know, go fair enough. Go and get him and bought the initial reach. But the Gary James actually on the host or the man host there's more flahat our Instagram, agus flahat our TikTok. There's more the Gary Mahana host or the man host, the more Hugh Carr your Instagram. It's just Greg Hugh Carr or TikTok. And what's more with that with you? I'm more like James. Come what's Pléann nGaeltacht. Some it's going to to non-score. I was going to go Iron Park faster.
Learpholl kickall.
Hey yo.
Fao am go dagan an Podcrailer seo má bé na tarthaí agan ach níl leis a gin fi láthair so be sé mu le feicáil Madrid Jaloon.
So James legan. Yay!
Woo! Den thumbnail.
Well, fresh like that's who go mas a clear canish a maith Erin Loon. So Erin Loon means a clear canish.
Simul bé le feicáil sin rud bhí mis garcar an agus mé like in a freisach in the aim
predictions.
Tá sure hammering to James go chaú and the Garra.
Tá mis ra buin hí siad ach faceplant ali James sa clobber meallar nachar na lig.
Oh yeah. Bé mar garcar.
My brother in Hampshire, there's a brand new sound. So on note the miscar na noted that na Táimid Q Ráth Chairn. So
do you know what I mean for you going you mach on ein rudder ra you mach on ein rudder ra Harvey right but he sold as a chat in the garage reach like I got we were going with a Slán